So the next topic in ES6 course is template literals. Template literals are nothing but string literals with an additional feature of embedding a expression onto it, right? So let's look at an example of what template literal is. So let me declare a normal function space get name, right? I can say get name and say I'm going to have two names. One is first name, say Dave. My second name is John. Dave John. Right. So in normal plain ES5, if you want to print the full name, what do? We usually say return first name plus last name. Right. So when I say get name, I get Dave John. So I'll have to give a space here. So I'll have to introduce a space mark here, and it says Dave John. And I also want to give some form of string concatenation here. My name is Dave John. So if you see here, we are doing a lot of string concatenation. This particular work is simplified in ES6 with the help of template literals. So uh, we can use the character here to first of all enclose your complete uh, whatever is the string concatenation which you have, right? So you can enclose it with the this character, right? And then you can remove all of the quotes and your addition symbol which you have in between, and you are free to use dollar and flower brackets here, something like this, right? So in this way you avoid concatenation of various strings. You're embedding expression onto your string literals and you call it as template literals. This way, the expression gets embedded onto your string. So these are called template literals.